Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix YouTube video pause continue watching error problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, find YouTube app and then tap and hold on YouTube app. Now open YouTube app info, just tap on I button or app info and then go to storage option. Just tap on storage option. Now tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Now go back to home screen. Go to Play Store. Now tap on search app and search for YouTube. Search YouTube. Now update your YouTube app in latest version. After completing update process, now press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.